What if you love the space and privacy of a landed living,
but you're not quite ready to give up the facilities and convenience of a condominium?
then this might be the sweet spot you didn't know exists.
We are at SeaHill in the West Coast, and behind us is something that you don't see very often.
A corner townhouse. More privacy, more space, and that landed style feeling.
While still enjoying the convenience and lifestyle of a condominium.
But who is a townhouse actually suitable for?
Come on, let's show you around. Hi, welcome to level 1, where I just came out from the lift which was installed by the owner themselves. Now let me take you through the living room. The living room is more than 3 meters high and is a Japanese style. So what the owner had done is they had actually installed a loft. This is the living room, which is Japanese, which oversees the swimming pool. Now let me take you through to the kitchen. This is a fully equipped kitchen with the kitchen appliances all from Gaggenau. Besides the kitchen, is actually a small dining area, just nice for a couple. And if let's say that you would like to have family events, you can also have an outdoor dining area. Now let me take you through this corner of the house. This is actually the yard area, and this house is designed as a multi-generation house. So what you see here is actually a granny's room, which the owner has converted into a study room. Just beside the study room, you have a common toilet, which can eventually be used as a granny or for yourself.
Okay, so let me show you to the bedroom upstairs. Come follow me. I'm actually now on level 2 of this lovely townhouse. On this level, there are actually 3 bedrooms. The master room, 2 other common bedrooms, and a common toilet. Come, let me show you to the master room now. The owner actually have a very nice Japanese theme, and even at the entrance, she has a very lovely pebbled style walkway. Come check it out. At this corner will be her sleeping area. She has actually repositioned the whole bedding orientation, such as she has a very large sleeping area. Now she can actually put in a king-size mattress very easily. And on top of that, she has spent a lot of effort to do up a minimalistic style storage system all over the room. And you know what? There's actually a secret room in this master room. Behind this lovely panel door is actually the attached bathroom. This is of minimalistic design theme. Okay, I'm actually at this section of level 2. There are 2 other bedrooms behind me. This is the first common bedroom. Now it's actually housed the kids' sleeping area with a nice queen-size bed and also a bunk bed and plenty of storage solution. Each level comes with a lift system. The lift door is actually right over here. And further at this corner will be the study room of the owner. It is now in the Japanese design theme. At this corner is actually the common toilet that serves these 2 bedrooms.
Come on, now follow me to level 3 to have a look at the roof terrace. So now we are at level 3, this is the entertainment area. But what is interesting is that the owner has actually converted level 3 into their own study area. But imagine this whole study area can be used as a bar counter, and then you can have your barbecue over here. There's already washing facilities and taps over here for you to do your washing. But let me show you what's interesting. Let's go. So if you have more than 15 to 20 guests, your entertainment activities can spill over to this area where there is a dining, where it can be used as a dining area, and there's also washing facilities. So you can have your kids dining over here while you have your barbecue and drinks on one end without worrying about their safety.
For this unit, it actually comes with a basement. Let me show you what is down there. At the basement, it actually comes with the raised toilet and also the bomb shelter right at the back. And at this corner will be the modern lift that will bring you to various floors in this townhouse. Once again, I'm Jason.
I'm Lionel.
If you're keen to find out more about this corner townhouse unit, do not hesitate to class today. I hope to see you soon. Bye!
Bye.